Hello everyone, welcome back. I have a free tool that I made to give away. It'll be in the description below. If you ever made a preset with images, whether it's a logo or a plain image, and you switch your timeline from 4K to 1080 HD or 720, you ever notice that it screws everything all up on you? So you have to make one for each. Well, I made a tool. It'll automatically resize, so it'll work in any resolution. And at the end of this, if you stick around, I have a full description of why Resolve does this. So I made this tool. Like I said, it'll be in the description. I'll demonstrate it now. After you download it, I will leave this in the description as well. Be able to copy it out of the description and go to your file. This is on Windows. I'm not sure about Mac. Click up here and put it in, which I have it here already. And your macro folder will show up that is in Resolve. Then just drag it from your folder and drop it in. There are other ways too, but this is the way I know. After you drop it in, you might have to restart Resolve, but not always. And hit Shift Space, SDS Auto Resize. And built in is a transform. Everything's up here. You do everything transform does. Now we'll change the resolution. Right now I'm on 4K. We'll go to 1080 and you'll see what that one does. The one with the resize tool on it remain the same. Now we'll go to 720. And again, the one with the resize tool stays the same. I know Resolve has a resize node already, but it does not solve this problem. Not automatically anyways. I'll demonstrate this with a logo. Transparent picture. And the size of this is 500 by 500. Again, we're on 4K. We'll go to 1080. And you'll see it'll change with each one that does not have it. One with it will remain the same. We'll go to 720. Like I said, at the end, it's an explanation on why this does this. So if you have issues with sizing images, this might help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.